Hi, I'm Dan and we're going to take this fantastic Jeep Renegade for a little test drive. It's keyless entry, keyless start on these, so push button start, car fires up very nicely, slip it down into drive and away we go. The electronic handbrake released automatically there because I've got my seatbelt on, so that's a nice feature. So we do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there, gearbox feels really smooth, brakes feel nice, steering feels great, the suspension is riding the bumps on this country road very easily. So yeah, the car's driving spot on as it should. It's a really nice, smooth, comfortable car to drive. Great forward visibility, great driving position, sitting that bit higher up than most cars. And you've got fantastic specification, really, really good. So you've got the full leather interior, which has also got heated front seats and even a heated steering wheel. We've got front and rear parking sensors. A really good multimedia system here with the Sat Nav display displayed at the moment. On there you've also got your all-important Bluetooth, hands-free and audio streaming. You've got USB port as well and auxiliary import, so loads of different ways to connect your devices. Dual zone climate control. Really nice leather multi-function steering wheel with cruise control and a speed limiter. And then you've got some extra safety features like the lane keeping assist. So yeah, really, really nice indeed. With it having the turbo on the engine, the kickback is nice when you put your foot down, plenty of power. Really good mileage as well. The car's done at the moment 44,300 miles. So yeah, there we are. Thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care. Bye for now.